G'day folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a very quick vid on my new travel oven. It's Kickass travel oven. I've got the Kickass hot water system and the Kickass privacy tent, and they're both such good products that when my old oven died, I thought I'd lash out and try a Kickass travel oven. So that's what I've got now, Kickass travel oven. When I camp, I come camping to enjoy the area. I don't come camping to cook, I really don't, and I do very little full-on cooking like you see on a lot of the other channels. My sort of theory is enjoy the area and do less cooking and more exploring. So I either purchase, and these are purchased, or prepare the meals at home, throw them in the freezer, let them thaw for the day. Once they've thawed, rip them out, throw them in my silicone trays and throw them in the oven. So I'll preheat this oven. It's got a timer that goes around to 120 minutes, so 2-hour timer, and the temperature comes up to 180. Now I have used this already. This is the 4th day we've been camping, so this is the 4th time I've cooked with the travel oven. And the Kickass travel oven really does preheat quick. I had a Road Chef travel oven, the last one, and I had it for probably 3.5 years, and it did me pretty well, but it took forever to preheat. Now I can't remember back 3.5 years ago, maybe it was faster when I bought it, but in the end it was taking so long to preheat, and it really never reached cooking temperature properly, that I eventually had to retire it, and that's why I've got another one. This one here, preheats in no time, and the temperature, my cooking time for these meals compared to the previous is about probably only 2/3 of the time, so I'm saving quite a bit of energy. From an energy perspective, this one, when it's on and running now, and I'll put up a little screenshot of the power usage through my EnerDrive app, and you'll see on the EnerDrive app that it's between 8 and 10 amps. The longest it's ever on is about 1.5 hours, 1.75 hours. It's not a very expensive cook so far as your power consumption goes. Now I'm pretty happy with that. So this will preheat now. I'll leave this on for maybe 10 or 15 minutes. 10 or 15 minutes from now, I'll make sure it's warm. Once it's warm, these meals will go in each of the silicone trays here, and they'll go in the oven, and I just sit back, relax, have a drink, wait for my dinner to cook. Okay, it's been about 10-15 minutes, so the preheat is done. Just a matter of decanting it now and throwing them in the oven. Oven. And that's it. Just got to wait around now for about an hour and dinner will be served. Righto, we're down to about 30 minutes left, which means approximately 90 minutes from when we started. First 15 minutes was preheat, the rest of it's been oven time. So we'll check it out and see how it looks. Oh, a bit of steam coming out. Oh, looks sensational. So there are our meals for tonight, piping hot. We've got savoury mince on this side with peas and potato and pumpkin, and we've got chicken, potato, pumpkin and beans on the other one for the missus. So we're going to sit down and eat that. If you get anything out of this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching Kickass Travel Oven. Turn it off. Ding. And I leave the door open just to let it cool down so it doesn't sweat inside the box. Catch you on the next vid. Take care. We really need a better cutlery system.
Yes, we do.
I'm thinking on that wall there, beside the fridge.
Yeah. Do you want a plate?
Yeah. Did you pre-cook it before you cook it?
Oh, they were cooked meals.
Yeah, they were bought. We bought these from the
RGA.
no,
Friendly
grocer.
Okay.
Friendly grocer. They cook them every week and they have fresh meals.
They range between about $7 and $10 per meal. So we just buy enough for each night from the oven. Get a good quality meal.
Yeah, and they
Something
are
different.
They're really nice.
They really are good quality. Well, big thumbs up for these meals. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Stole this from a YouTuber. A little bit of soap in the bottom, fill it with water, spray what it is you need to clean, a little bit of water in a bucket just to wet your washcloth or whatever it is you're using, and it works an absolute treat. These silicone oven trays or dishes, whatever you want to call them, clean up really well.